What have I told you? Every Russian banknote hides a moving security thread, a laser-etched watermark, and cotton from Russian fields. Secrets your eyes have never noticed. Watch till the end. Before any printing begins, the cotton arrives. Russia's 5,000 ruble note is made from cotton-based security paper, produced at the Goznak paper mills. The St. Petersburg paper mill, one of Russia's first state banknote paper enterprises, and the Krasnokamsk paper mill in the Perm region. Built in the 1930s and today one of Russia's most important security paper facilities. Premium long staple cotton fiber is the primary raw material, chosen for its cellulose strength, durability under daily handling, and ability to carry fine security features. The cotton arrives at the Goznak paper mill receiving dock as certified bales, each batch verified against the Bank of Russia's specification before entering the production system. Now the printing begins, and this is where the 5,000 ruble note becomes extraordinary. At the Goznak paper mills, the cotton fiber passes through Hollander beaters that fibrillate each fiber microscopically, creating the surface texture that bonds the fibers together into durable security paper. UV luminescent coloured security fibers are added to the cotton suspension before sheet formation, embedding permanently and randomly throughout the paper to glow under ultraviolet light. Then, two remarkable embedded security features form simultaneously during paper manufacture itself. The first is the watermark. Not a simple single-tone watermark, but a combination. A multi-tone portrait watermark showing the upper portion of the Muravyov-Amursky monument, and adjacent to it, a highlight watermark showing the numeral 5000, with dark shading lines and a distinctive volume effect that makes the numeral appear three-dimensional when the note is held to light. No other denomination of the Russian ruble has exactly this combination. The second embedded feature is the VFI security thread. VFI stands for Figured Window Insertion, and the technology for embedding wide security threads with figured windows was developed and perfected exclusively at Goznak. No other security printer in the world uses this specific technology. The thread, which bears repeated demetallized 5000 denomination text, is embedded within the cotton paper thickness at a precisely specified position, with figured window sections emerging through the paper surface at controlled intervals. When you tilt the finished note, the individual 5,000 characters on the thread appear to move separately from one another, a kinetic, dynamic effect that no photocopy or inkjet printer can ever replicate. After the paper web forms on the machine and dries, Goznak adds one more paper-level security feature by laser: microperforation. A laser beam burns microscopic holes through the cotton paper in the precise pattern of the denomination numeral 5000. When the finished note is held to transmitted light, the number 5000 appears formed entirely by rows of microholes. And remarkably, the perforated area does not feel rough to the touch, because the laser precision is that fine. The certified cotton security paper then travels to the Goznak printing factories. The Moscow printing factory, the Goznak flagship operating since 1919, or the Perm printing factory with its modern production sites launched in 2006, where the printing begins across multiple stages. The printing stage begins with the legendary Orlov method, invented in 1890. This technique, exclusive to Goznak by Russian law, creates seamless rainbow gradients and iris transitions that no commercial printer can replicate. Alongside this, the MVC chameleon element is added, a proprietary technology that uses physical refraction to create a color change effect when the note is tilted. For further security, the Khabarovsk coat of arms is applied using spark ink, shifting from gold to green. Next is the most tactile step: intaglio printing. A deeply engraved steel plate is heavily inked and pressed against the cotton paper with enormous force. This sculpts the ink, leaving raised ridges for the portraits, Cyrillic text, and tactile marks for the visually impaired. When you run your finger across a genuine 5,000 ruble note, you can literally feel these ridges, a primary way citizens verify authenticity. Finally, gravure printing adds the red serial numbers, while ultraviolet and infrared inks are applied for machine-level security. Every sheet then undergoes a rigorous automated inspection, checking the watermark, VFI thread, and microperforation before moving to the final cutting stage. Then comes cutting. The fully printed and inspected cotton paper sheets are loaded into precision guillotine cutting machines, set to the exact finished dimensions of the 5,000 ruble note, 157mm by 69mm. Individual notes emerge from the sheets for the first time. Each passes through a high-speed sorting machine. Rejection marks notes are diverted. Approved notes flow forward. Those approved notes are counted in groups of 100 and banded officially. Each bundle represents 500,000 rubles. 10 bundles are assembled into a brick of 1,000 notes, representing 5 million rubles, sealed in tamper-evident Goznak security packaging. Sealed transfer cases are jointly authorized by Goznak and Bank of Russia representatives and transported by armored convoy to the Bank of Russia headquarters on Neglinaya Street in Moscow, from where the notes are distributed through Russia's commercial banking network across the world's largest country. Now,
here is your withdrawal. Please confirm the amount.
Thank you, we will.
let's go back to the very beginning, because the cotton that starts this entire journey has a remarkable story of its own. While many modern global currencies have shifted towards synthetic polymer or plastic, derived from polypropylene pellets at petroleum refineries, Russia's 5,000 ruble note remains true to its organic, high-performance roots. It begins its life not in a laboratory, but as natural cellulose fibre grown in vast, sun-drenched agricultural fields. Once the cotton is harvested by massive mechanical harvesters, it undergoes a precise ginning process. This is where the soft white lint is carefully separated from the seeds and field debris. These pure fibres are then compressed into heavy, certified bales, each tagged for quality, and delivered to the elite Goznak paper mills in St. Petersburg and Krasnokamsk. Inside these historic mills, the physical transformation is incredible. The raw cotton is fed into massive Hollander beaters, where it is circulated in water and beaten until the fibres fibrillate, growing tiny microscopic hairs that allow them to lock together like a puzzle. During this stage, specialized chemical wet strength agents and sizing additives are mixed in, along with thousands of invisible security fibers. As this slurry hits the paper machine's headbox, it flows onto a moving, forming wire. As the water drains away, it leaves behind a dense, interlocked network of genuine cotton fibers. This network becomes the incredibly durable foundation of Russia's most valuable everyday banknote. This journey is a true testament to national craftsmanship. From a quiet, sunny cotton field, through the churning beaters of the Goznak mills, and into the high-pressure printing halls of Moscow and Perm. Finally, after passing every rigorous automated test, it finds its way into the high-security Bank of Russia vault on Neglinaya Street. This is the 5,000 ruble note, Russia's highest denomination banknote, built on nature, secured by the state, and made exactly this way.